Hello my dear students, do you recall the latest in the Mission Impossible series movie featuring Tom Cruise, the Mission Impossible Fallout? Have you noticed that high jump athletes all over the world, when they jump over the bar, they use a particular technique in which their face is always skywards? That technique is known as the Fosbury flip. Do you recall that famous advertisement by Big Babool Chewing Gum in which two kids are playing around with mixing colors and in which a bull is involved? Why are we discussing all these here? These three examples, my dear students, that I have quoted are examples wherein actual science principles that you have learnt in school are used. Imagine if you are to learn science with the perspective of creating the correct connect with the real life world, you would never forget the science that you learn. I am Ajay Antony, founder of the Physics Chamber, and I invite you to join me at the Physics Chamber on the 27th, 28th and 29th of December for the Science Bootcamp. We are going to go on an explorative journey of science wherein we will discuss the practical connect between the sciences, physics, chemistry and biology and even mathematics that you learn in school with the real life world. I have created a new Guinness World Record in a science knowledge event as officially certified by Guinness World Records London. And in my teaching career spanning 20 plus years, I have had the privilege of teaching fantastic motivated students from over a dozen cities across the country. I would like to invite you once again for the Science Bootcamp at the Physics Chamber. See you in class.